Myself Amsaveni, Assistant Professor CSE, PSR Engineering College, Sivagasi. Okay, today I am going to handle web technology. So in that we are going to discuss about creating frames. So frames are the basics elements of a HTML document, right? So for creating any web page, the basic language will be a HTML, right? So HTML deals with the tags, so similar tags. So it start with the HTML tag, then it contains title, head, body, paragraph, like that. So basic tags are there. So in that we are going to create frames. So the previously, so the frames means that is the browser window, that is the output of the any HTML document will be a browser window, right? So each and every website, website has a collection of web pages. So so for creating each and every web page, we will be using HTML language. So frames means we are going to divide that output window, that is the browser window, into many frames, that is many windows, that is each and every window will act as a individual HTML page, that is separate web page. Okay. So for creating a frames, we will need of two tags, that is frame set and frame. Okay. Next slide. So that is about the frames. So it is used to divide the browser window into many things, many windows, that is each and every window will act as a separate web page. So for dividing a browser window into many sections, we have to consider that the browser window as a table, that is a table will have a rows and columns, right? Right. So like that we have to divide that browser window either in vertically or horizontally. Okay. So that is for dividing a browser window in a vertical manner, we will use columns. For dividing a browser window in horizontal manner, we will use rows. Okay. So these are all the attributes used for creating a HTML frame. So this is the example code for creating a symbol frame. So in that these are all the basic prerequisites to create a web page. Okay. So that is HTML head, these are all the things we can give as our need. Okay. So this is the important part, that is as I already said, there are two tags used for creating a frames, that is frame set and frame. So the frame set, so in that frame set it's a tag where a column is a attribute. So either we can give here a column or row. So both are the attributes will use frames. That is column means, that is here I have given 25, 50 and 25, that is the entire browser window is divided as a, that is here we have given three values, that is the browser window will divide into three windows, that is three sections. So first section will occupy 25, then another section 50 and another section 25. So there are many ways to define this value, so we will see later. So here I have created three frames, that is namely frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3. That is the source of, that is each and every window, that is we have created three windows. The name of the three windows is given here. So given here as a HTML document. Okay, we can give either document, URL or image, anything we can give in a source attribute. So here the frame set attributes are either rows and columns, and the frame attribute will be a source and name, like that. So the example for this one is, so this is the output of the previous code, that is the window is divided into three sections, that is three windows, each and every window will act as a separate web page. That is the need of HTML frames. That is the attributes used in a frame tag, that is name. That is we can give, so to identify which window we are using means we can give name. That is here I have given name as top, that is the source means we can upload any image, URL or any document, HTML document, like that. So in the tag, that is in the source attribute which we given is loaded in that window. Okay. So name is used to differentiate one frame to another frame. Next. So source attribute. So as I already said, source attribute is used for loading the HTML document in the particular window. Okay. Then this is the attributes used in frame set, that is the That is first attribute, that is I have already said the window is divided into rows and columns, that is we have to consider that window as a table, right. So for column, so for defining a column values we can use three methods. First one, absolute values, percentage and the wildcard symbol. Okay, absolute value means it will take the window pixel size. Okay, that is it. I have shown an example, that is first window will take 100 pixels, second window will take 500 pixels, and third window will take 100 pixels. So it is column means the window is divided into vertically. Okay, whereas percentage means it will create a vertical frames, that is I have given a percentage symbol. So that is the whole window taken as a 100%, we have to divide, that is as our need we can divide the window into by giving a percentage. Okay, then the wildcard symbol, the wildcard symbol is nothing but a asterisk. So it also act as a percentage, that is asterisk will take the remainder of the window, that is here I have given 10 and wildcard symbol in between, that is remainder, that is out of 100, 10 I have given, that is remaining 80 will be taken as a center part of the window. Okay. Then rows, that is rows also we can give the same attributes, that is same values which we have used in column. That is rows means only one difference is column will divide the window into vertically, whereas rows will divide the windows into horizontally, that is the meaning. Okay, border, so border is used to specify that is separate the windows, that is in between there will be a line will be appearing, that is the for border for defining a border we will be using a pixel values, that is here in this example I have given 5, that is the size of the border will be a 5 pixels. So if I set 0 means there will be no border in between windows. Then a frame border, so the difference between border and frame border means frame border will be displayed as a 3D border, 3-dimensional border. So it has boolean values, we can set either this one as 0 or 1. 0 means no border, 1 means there will be a 3D border will be displayed. Okay, next, frame spacing. So frame spacing is used to differentiate between frames, that is there will be a space, the space in pixels will be displayed between frames. We can separate each and every frame by using frame spacing. Okay, next, so here is an example. So here I have 3 HTML documents. First one is test.html, this is the main HTML page I have used for dividing the window into 2 sections, that is first page will be menu.html and the second will be main.html, that is the test.html will be a main page. I am dividing this page into 2 windows, that is menu and main. So these are all the tags already we have discussed, right. So I have splitted this window into columns, that is 20 and wildcard remaining percentage will be wildcard symbol will take the remainder of the window, that is 80, that is one window will be 20 and another window will be 80%. So that is menu will be 20% and main will be 80% of the whole window size. Okay. Okay, then in menu.html I have created 3 links, that is first link will be in google.com. So where I have given attribute as target, that is whenever I click this google.com window, the output will be displayed in a main page, that is this another window I have created, right. So in that this output will be displayed. So then I have created in menu.html I have created 3 menus, that is in a hyperlink. Ahref refers the hyperlink. Okay. So first google.com, Microsoft and BBC News. Okay. Then so in main.html, so I have given in the previous example target as main.html, right. So whenever I click that 3 links, the output will be displayed in main.html. So here I have we can design our own, right. So next, So, this is the output of the previous examples. So, in menu.html I have created 3 links, right, Google, Microsoft and BBC News. Then whereas this is the main.html. So, the whole document will be as a main page, that is test.html. So, whenever I click this these links, the output will be displayed here, that is the web page will be loaded into this page, that is this is the first frame, this is the second frame. Okay, next. So, what are the advantage and disadvantage? So, advantage will be, that is user can see the many windows in a single window, that is the advantage. The main disadvantage of this one is, so it will create more load on the servers. So, then the lower versions of the browsers does not support this type of frames. Okay, thank you.